Graduation season is expensive, but I'm going to show you how to make these professional boutique style gifts without breaking the bank. Let's build them. I grabbed everything, the caps, the ribbons, and the decor from Dollar Tree. Welcome to CJDIY. I am C. While high-end graduation bouquets can easily retail for $80 to $100, I decided to take more creative approach by pairing fresh stems from my local market with a few clever finds from Dollar Tree. I am crafting those same viral luxury style arrangements for a fraction of the cost, perfect for graduations or any special occasion. I will pair the ivory roses with adding them in the middle. On the side, I will add those ombre roses, and then I will finish off with the other stems and the green leaves, creating one large bouquet. You can always find fresh flowers like this at your local store for a few dollars, and you will turn them into an amazing high-end viral boutique gorgeous bouquets. Very easy and simple hack. After I made the bouquet like I wanted to look, I will add some accessories. We will be adding one of those beautiful balloons from Dollar Tree. I will add a rubber band to put them all together with my bouquet and tie them up. And since those stems are not same, I will cut them off on the bottom so I can level them up. And then we will add more embellishment to the bouquet. Very easy to do. To give just a little touch of Mackenzie Child style, I decided to use one of those wrapping papers that I have and folding it into a fan shape so we can add it to our bouquet. Very easy. You can add any kind of wrapping paper that you have, any kind of decorative wax paper. It will look pretty either way. I will add that one on the back of my bouquet, and also I will add black tissues with adding them into triangle angle just like that. In the middle, I will add the Mackenzie Child's wrapping paper, and I will add my bouquet in the middle. Now I will wrap the tissue with some tape around it to make it nice and sturdy, and also I will add more embellishment to my bouquet after I cover it with the black tissue to make sure that it's all nice and positioned. I am using these graduation photo props, just perfect to add them on top of the bouquets. You can always print out some images. You can even create a banner and add it on top of the roses. It will look perfect. So I decided to add 3 photo props on top. I created 4 loop bow with this golden dot ribbon to make it more high-end. I cut off the edges as a ducktail. I decided to add a graduation cap on my bear with simply adding just a little touch of hot glue, and voila! For sure we didn't spend hundreds of dollars on this one. For my second bouquet, I will add some red roses and some white picks. I grabbed 3 of the bouquets that I bought very cheap at my local market, and I grabbed some of those white picks as well to combine them all together into one large bouquet. And after that, we'll add some accessory and make another viral, very expensive looking bouquet. And not just for graduation, any occasion you have coming up, birthdays, engagements, wedding, any beautiful party, you will make somebody happy with giving them a gift like this. Now for extra embellishment, on top of my bouquet, I'm adding more graduation Dollar Tree props and beautiful look. I will also use this star from the Dollar Tree headbands, just perfect. I will add one of those plastic sticks that I had on my props, and I think it looks just beautiful. Now to cover up my bouquet, I will add this cap tissue, and I will show you a new super easy hack. You can fold the tissue just like that into triangle shape, and the rest of it fold it in the middle, and I will do couple of those tissues same way, and I'm showing you again folding it in the middle into triangle shape, and the other middle part flipping over into like a fan shape. Now that my sheets are done, I will cover up my bouquet with adding those triangles, just laying on top of the bouquets just like that, and I'm just adding a clear tape on the bottom to make it nice and sturdy, and I will add those layers of my tissues until I use them all. You can use the same process with adding a different color of tissue as well. You can add as many layers as you like to make the bouquet more fuller and more beautiful. Now that my top is all covered with those tissues, on the bottom I'm adding 2 more layers of the triangle shaped tissues. I'm adding a tape, and then I will add some nice red ribbon to make it cohesive with my bouquet, with creating just a simple bow. And that's it for this beautiful hack. Rose Forever is a New York-based luxury gifting brand built around the beauty of the internal rose. They source only the finest preserved roses from around the world, transforming them into handcrafted arrangements that last not days but years. Every creation is a statement of love, of taste, of permanence, perfect for any occasion as a gift. There is a special discount code, CJDIY. Check them out, so many different arrangements, perfect for any occasion. Another amazing bouquets we are creating with variety of different colors and some beautiful pink picks that I picked up from my local store. And this time I wanted to make this one very simple that anybody can do. I will add some graduation props on top like I did on my other bouquets, and I will cover this one just to make it cohesive with my flowers and all those branches. I will add a pink tissue and a purple paper that this bouquet came with. I am combining them all together, and after I will cover them all with this triangle shaped tissue on top. As you can see, I will add like a simple pink bow from Dollar Tree on the bottom, and for less than few minutes you have a brand new high-end boutique gorgeous bouquet for your loved ones. Graduation banners can be really pricey. If you find one at Pottery Barn, they're selling it for $79. I picked up some from my local Dollar Tree for like $1.25 or $1.50. I also picked up those tabletops that also, when you check online, those tabletops can be a bit pricey. And ours from Dollar Tree, only $1 and some change. Perfect for your sweet table, for your party. I mean, you don't need to spend much for those tabletops when you know that you will only use them once. But with those Dollar Tree banners, combining them and with just adding some embellishments to it, you won't break the bank. And they will look equally beautiful like those from Pottery Barn. I hope I gave you tons of idea for your upcoming occasions, not just for graduations, any kind of beautiful party coming up. And for any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this content and for more, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hype. And until next time, my darlings, stay blessed from me to you. Bye-bye.